Hello, Tiger Camp students. I'm Mrs. Smith. I am the art teacher at Taylor Prep. So I have created an art challenge for you this week, and it is to create a toilet paper roll art. So find the empty toilet paper roll and start creating. You'll be making something that's either two-dimensional or three-dimensional. So when we're talking about dimensions, we're talking about how many sides or dimensions the image or object has. Something that's one-dimensional only has one dimension. So a line is one-dimensional. You can only measure one dimension. Something that's two-dimensional would be a drawing because it has a width and a length. So it's two dimensions. So drawings are two-dimensional. And if you want to talk about three-dimensional, you're thinking of something that is 3D or something that has length, width, and depth. So you have three dimensions that you can measure. So if you decide you want to draw something two-dimensional on your toilet paper roll, it would be a drawing that goes all the way around the roll. So you could draw a scene. A scene could be like a landscape, like mountains, trees, water, a little sunset possibly, and some happy little clouds. You can choose whatever scene you want. It could even be a comic scene that goes all the way around. You could also do a creature or a person, like a dog or a monster or, anything you really want to make it into, but take into consideration the shape that you're drawing on. So the toilet paper roll is long, so you might have a cartoon-looking dog like this that's really long and standing up on its two legs. Okay, so you have to think about how will your animal or creature look on the toilet paper roll. Another way you could draw two-dimensionally on this is to just create designs. Some nice designs that go all the way around. That can be in the form of shapes, squiggles, dashes. It's really up to you. You can even look up designs online for inspiration. Another thing to think about when you are creating on your roll is color. So you can add color to your piece. Sharpie, crayons, those show up pretty good on the cardboard texture. Highlighter, I don't think highlighter shows up the best, but you can still use highlighter. Just think about what your color is going to look like on your canvas or your toilet paper roll. So here I have some examples real quick of what different tools look like on your toilet paper roll. So that first one's a black pen, the second one's a Sharpie or black permanent marker, then we have a red permanent marker. So those all pretty much are true to color. The highlighter is a little bit darker. So that one shows up a little bit darker. I'm sure the yellow would probably show up brown. Okay? And then pencil shows up pretty good, but not as vibrant as, of course, a marker. Oh yeah, and crayon. Crayon will show up really good, but not yellow. Yellow doesn't really show up. All right, so three-dimensional, I'm just gonna kind of crush it up. So crushing it up just makes it a little bit more malleable or easier to work with. While I'm doing this, I'm kind of thinking about what I want to make it into. So I have some dryer lint, I have some tape. I'm thinking about maybe making a cloud. I might experiment a little bit, and yeah, that tape does not stick. So I'm not an expert toilet paper roll creator. It's not my medium of choice. So a lot of art is just experimenting with your materials. So if something doesn't work the first time, don't get frustrated. Just try using something else. See what else will make it work. So that glue worked really good. So Second time's a charm. So I'm just kind of gluing this on, kind of feeling out what it's going to look like, taking a step away to see if it looks like a cloud or not, or just a mess. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the process of making it. I put this in fast time, so it's all sped up, but I did take my time on this, so you guys should take your time too. So there's my little rain cloud. Took some time. I used some twist ties. I used some things around the house I found. In hindsight, I might add a little bit more on the back, but I'm happy with it. I think it looks like a rain cloud. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys create. So good luck.